When it comes to Porsche engines, bore scoring is a serious concern for many owners and buyers. But not every Porsche model is affected. Let's take a quick look at the engines that don't suffer from this issue, and why. Models like the 996 and 997 Turbo, GT2, and GT3 use a completely different engine design based on the Mezger architecture. These engines feature Nikasil-plated aluminum cylinders, which are extremely durable and resist wear and scoring. Later models, including the 991.2 and newer 911s, as well as the 718 Cayman and Boxster, use plasma arc sprayed coatings like PTWA. These advanced technologies create a tough, wear-resistant surface directly on the aluminum cylinder wall. You'll also find APS-coated aluminum blocks in the 2.9 and 4.0-liter V6 and V8 engines. These engines were used in 2017 in newer Panamera models, 2019 in newer Cayenne models, and Macan S, GTS, and turbo trims starting in 2019. The base Macan, with its 2.0-liter turbo 4-cylinder, uses a cast iron block, which doesn't suffer from bore scoring either. Unlike earlier engines with Locasil or Alusil bores that can develop deep vertical scratches known as bore scoring, modern coatings and iron blocks as noted in this video resist wear and provide excellent oil retention and thermal stability. The takeaway? If you're shopping for a Porsche and want to avoid the risk of bore scoring, look for models with Nikasil, PTWA, or APS-coated aluminum engines, or those with iron blocks. To learn more about how these technologies work, visit allenengineering.com.